Welcome back. Another day, another Pokemon Go pack. So this is pack number 26. And this is pack 6 of 10 from the Elite Trainer box that I bought, the Pokemon Go Elite Trainer box. The last card that I got was a Dragonite V. So there's the code card. Let's see if we can do better than a Dragonite V. Let's do this. Okay, so we got an Energy, Xatu, Slowbro, Lunatone, Tranquil, Alolan Raticate, Natu, Bulbasaur, Slowpoke. Oh, and another reverse holo Natu. Not bad. Oh, what's that I can see at the side? Looks like something good. Oh, and a Melmetal Holo Rare VMAX. Look at that. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice card. Look at the colour on it. The shine. Fantastic. So the two to add to the collection are the reverse holo Natu and the Melmetal Holo Rare VMAX. Nice. Let's tick them off the list. Reverse holo Natu. Done. Melmetal VMAX. Done. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching.